So, Kitsune can actually be killed.
You are welcome here. Over here, boy.
Capture the Onryo! Alive! Get ready to die! No! No, please! She won't die! She won't die! The ghost!
Are you in need of tea? Or the best armorer Ezo has ever seen? Always good to see a friendly face in a strange place.
How's the tea around here?
It has the distinct texture of swamp water, with a tinge of unnecessary violence.
Welcome to Tokachi Range.
All right. How badly have you been treating that armor of yours? Do me a favor and take care of that armor, will you? Just yesterday, I watched a man named Daijiro trying to gamble some of the best armor I've ever seen. A pity I couldn't wrestle it out of his hands before he went to Karen Forks.